Adobe Premiere Pro is often hailed as the go-to video editing software for professionals, but is it really worth the hype? Today, we're going to break down what makes it stand out and whether it lives up to its reputation. Adobe Premiere Pro is a feature-rich video editing platform designed for both aspiring and seasoned filmmakers. Right off the bat, you notice its sleek interface, which, while packed with tools, can be a bit overwhelming for beginners. It offers a robust timeline that allows for detailed editing, multicam support, and an extensive library of effects and transitions. One standout feature is its seamless integration with other Adobe products like After Effects and Photoshop, making it a strong choice for those already in the Adobe ecosystem. The software supports a wide range of formats, which is great for flexibility in projects. However, it's not all smooth sailing. Some users report that the software can be quite resource intensive, requiring a powerful machine to run efficiently. Plus, while there's a wealth of tutorials available, the learning curve may deter those who are looking for a straightforward editing experience. Now, let's dive into the pros and cons. On the plus side, Premiere Pro excels in its versatility and professional-grade features. It's perfect for those who need advanced editing capabilities, especially for projects involving complex effects and sound design. However, the cons are significant too. The software's pricing can be a bit steep, especially with the subscription model. Additionally, the performance issues on less powerful systems can lead to frustrating slowdowns during editing sessions. For casual users or those just starting out, there might be better, more user-friendly options available. But if you're serious about video editing and willing to invest the time to learn, Premiere Pro offers tools that can elevate your work to a professional level. In conclusion, Adobe Premiere Pro is a solid choice for professionals and serious enthusiasts alike, thanks to its comprehensive feature set and integration capabilities. However, newcomers may want to explore simpler alternatives first. If you're ready to dive deep into video editing, it's worth giving Premiere Pro a try, but be prepared for the learning curve.